Gabriel Belton, a nursing student from San Pablo Colleges. I am here to do the return demonstration of assessing the client in a bed bath to ensure and maintain the cleanliness of her body and to provide comfort and remove any microorganisms in her body. Good morning, ma'am. I'm your nurse for today. What is your name?
Lisa May Rowan.
Is it okay with you if I'm going to perform a bed bath for you?
Yes.
So before that, I'm going to perform hand hygiene and provide clients privacy like closing the doors and windows to ensure the safety of the client and the comfortness. Now I'm going to perform a partial bed bath only for my client because she can't move towards the toilet and can affect her healthcare abilities to if I'm going to force her to go to the toilet. Ma'am, are you receiving any physical therapies?
None?
Is it okay with you if I'm going to take care of your bed bath?
Yes.
The first thing that I need to do is to prepare all the materials needed, like a basin with warm water, a towel, a linen, and a table for the bathing equipment, also the personal hygiene articles, and shaving equipment, especially the clean gloves. Now my patient is ready and also I'm ready, so I need to prepare my client and the environment. Then now to ensure that she is really comfortable, I will ask her if we need a family member to assist us enjoying our bed bathing. So ma'am, do you need your mother to join us in bed bathing?
No.
To ensure that the room is in a cool temperature, I close the door and all the windows. Then now, ma'am, do you need or do you wish to go to a toilet for urinal?
Yes.
Now I'm going to ask my patient to perform um, personal care as possible, and I'm going to assess the skin of my patient. Then now I'm going to prepare the bed and the client appropriately. I've already adjusted the bed in a comfortable height for me, and I already lowered the side rail but keeping the other one up. And now I'm going to ask my patient to come near me. Ma'am, can you move? Then now I'm going to place a bath blanket and remove the top sheet. Now I'm going to remove her gown as the bath blanket is covering her. Ma'am, can you grasp this? And then, after I'm going to remove her gown, I'm going to put this at a linen's hamper. And now I'm going to wash the face of my client by first putting towel under the head of my patient. Then I'm going to prepare the bath mitt with the washcloth. Then now I'm going to first clean the eye of my patient and remember that if you are going to clean the eye, use the separate washcloth for each eye. Then dry it immediately. I'm going to use another washcloth for the other eye, and remember that it is important to clean from the inner canthus from the outer canthus. Then after that, you need to dry it immediately. And now I'm going to soak the face of my patient. The face, ears, and the neck of my patient. Then dry it immediately using the dry towel. Then now I'm done with the face. I'm going to remove the towel under her head. I'm going to clean the arms of my patient by placing a towel under the arm of my patient away from me in a lengthwise position. And now after placing the towel in a lengthwise position, I'm going to wash, rinse, and dry the arm of my patient. Especially, I'm going to include the axillary area of my patient. After doing that, I'm going to apply deodorant or powder in the client's arm. The next one is I'm going to wash, rinse, and dry the abdomen and the chest of my patient. I already put a towel under the chest of my patient for the ready in washing the chest and abdomen. My patient is female, so she decided not to expose her chest and abdomen. So I'm going to wash the chest and abdomen by um, putting my hand over the bath blanket. Then stroke it gently. Then after using washcloth for the chest and abdomen, use a um, dry cloth for to dry it. And after doing this, I'm going to provide another hot blanket for the patient to have a comfortable bed body. Next one is the leg. I'm going to wash, rinse, and dry the leg of my patient by first um, putting some towel under the leg of my patient. After putting the towel on the leg of my patient, I'm going to expose one leg and then I will now wash, dry, and rinse the one leg by um, exposing it. I'm going to wash from the ankle to the knee and lastly the thigh. I will keep the her private area to be covered and dry it immediately. And do it to the other one. Then now I'm going to expose the other one and keep the perineal area covered. Starting from the knee, and from the ankle to the knee, lastly the thigh. Then dry it immediately. Then now in terms of feet, I'm going to assist my patient in a sitting position for me to easily access and easily clean the toes and feet of my client. And using the basin with warm water, I'm going to clean the feet of my patient, especially the in between the fingers. Lastly, I'm going to wash, rinse, and dry the back part of my patient. So now I'm going to assist my patient in a prone position. I will keep my client in a covered with bath blanket. Then now I'm going to start wash and rinse the her back. After that, I'm going to dry it immediately. After that, I'm going to massage it and provide personal care like um, powder, putting a powder. Now I'm going to assist my patient to normal position. Now I'm going to put some powder in the abdomen and to the chest to provide much more comfort. Then now I'm going to put some another gown for the client to be finished or some pajamas. My patient now is done in her bed bath. I already um, put another clothes or another gown for her to much more comfortable. And I'm going to perform another hand hygiene and document all the procedures I've done. Thank you.